सकल्यान गुणार्णवश वन्दे गुरश्री चरणारविन्दम्।
By regular attendance in classes on the Bhagvatam and by rendering of service to the pure devotee, all that is troublesome to the heart is almost completely destroyed, and loving service unto the personality of Godhead, who is praised with transcendental songs, is established as an irrevocable fact. Here is the remedy for eliminating all inauspicious things within the heart which are considered to be obstacles in the path of self-realization. The remedy is the association of the Bhagavatas. There are two types of Bhagavatas, namely the book Bhagavata and the devotee Bhagvat. Both the Bhagavatas are competent remedies, and both of them, or either of them, can be good enough to eliminate the obstacles. A devotee Bhagavata is as good as the book Bhagvat, because the devotee Bhagvat leads his life in terms of the book Bhagavata, and the book Bhagvat is full of information about the personality of Godhead and his pure devotees, who are also Bhagavatas. Bhagavat book and person are identical. The devotee Bhagvat is a direct representative of Bhagavan, the personality of Godhead. So by pleasing the devotee Bhagvat, one can receive the benefit of the book Bhagvat. Human reason fails to understand how, by serving the devotee Bhagvat or the book Bhagvat, one gets gradual promotion on the path of devotion. But actually these are facts explained by Srila Naradev, who happened to be a maidservant's son in his previous life. The maidservant was engaged in the menial service of the sages, and thus he also came into contact with them. And simply by associating with them and accepting the remnants of foodstuff left by the sages, the son of the maidservant got the chance to become the great devotee and personality Srila Naradev. These are the miraculous effects of the association of Bhagavatas. And to understand these effects practically, it should be noted that by such sincere association of the Bhagavatas, one is sure to receive transcendental knowledge very easily, with the result that he becomes fixed in the devotional service of the Lord. The more progress is made in devotional service under the guidance of the Bhagavatas, the more one becomes fixed in the transcendental loving service of the Lord. The messages of the book Bhagvat, therefore, have to be received from the devotee Bhagvat, and the combination of these two Bhagavatas will help the neophyte devotee to make progress on and on.